What's going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I am going to start my morning off going to the coffee shop. But first off, if you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I go make videos on my ups and downs in business to show people what it's like to actually run a business. I was making $22,000 a month. I was heading towards $30,000, and now everything has slowed down, and that's fine, but I just want you all to know that these ups and downs are what make these videos. That's what makes me keep making these videos, because I want to show you the exact things that happen on a day-to-day basis, because every day is different. And so we've been having slower months, but we are still obviously shooting for $30,000 a month. That's not changing because my mindset hasn't changed. So I'm not going to change my mindset because just because I'm not making that right now at the moment doesn't mean I'm not capable of making that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop. I'm gonna come back here. We're gonna do customer orders. We're gonna do maybe some FBA shipment orders to get some more product out to Amazon. And then we'll be done with the video. And then I'll show you yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made yesterday. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, I am back from the coffee shop. I have not done any orders yet. I've been doing a lot of thinking about my room arrangement. I have 2 tables that I got from a friend of mine that I could set up in that room. I have that 2-layer drawer that I have, and I don't know if that's gonna cut it. I have this table. I have this table right here, and then I have one more. So I'm gonna pull them out of my car. I'm gonna set them up and see if those would work better than what I have already. And maybe I can just use those and just set up my room better, and maybe have my 2 Cricut machines running at the same time. It would help with cutting. And then I've set up my iPad to use the Cricut machine. So maybe I can do the computer and Cricut machine at the same time with the 2 different Cricuts. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try to figure that out today so we can start maximizing, because I now have stickers, a lot more stickers that I'm selling again. So try to maximize for now, and then when they start selling a lot more, then I get my supplier to create the decals for the specific stickers. So we're gonna go figure that out right now, so enjoy that. All right, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with these 2 tables yet, but I'm sweating so much right now. But I'm going to bring them into the room. I'm going to take a few things out, so you guys are gonna watch that as well, but figure out what we're gonna do with them. This is hilarious. This looks like the real deal. Got two cutters, and then I could get a second printer and put that there, and we could just have 2 units running at the same time for now. All right, guys, so we're doing the same project, but one's with one sheet, one's with the other. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. This might be like a really, really bad mess up. So we are both going to witness this together. So I'm gonna hit both of these play buttons at the same time and see what happens. It's working. It's working. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's doing one. It's doing another. They said in the video tutorial that this can work, but they're both working. Now, I know that there's a cutting problem with this one, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out with this, but still, it's working. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my God. All right, so this one just finished, so I'm going to pull this one off. It did actually go all the way through, which doesn't usually happen. That one's still taking a long time. This is the more expensive one too. So that's really interesting to me. I don't know what's going on, but they all cut out. So, super dope. Actually, perfectly. So I must have gotten really lucky with that machine because I was able to get a new one for almost free. All right, this one is now finished. Seems like it cut it all out. Wow, all of them. Crazy stuff. Very, very impressed. So now I can use 2 machines at once. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place, but hey, we're learning. All right, guys, we are done. I do have my orders over here. We just got out. Look at this setup. How freaking cool is that? I know I'm not supposed to be going backwards here. I know I'm supposed to be getting suppliers, but I have no cash on hand right now. So I'm going to do everything myself. Yes, kind of an excuse. I could get an extra credit card and max that one out as well, but I'm kind of over maxing out my credit cards at the moment. I'm still waiting on my cash to come in. I have 30 days of waiting for this money to come in. And so this is what I got to do for now, guys. So I hope you understand. This is where I am pivoting at the moment. So I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day. I am going to be going over now yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, babies, we're not doing good, but it's all good. We made $30.60 on eBay, okay? $46.18 on Shopify, you know, not bad, but we are at $254, which is not good because we were doing like $500, $600, $700 days, 3,000 days sometimes. So $331 is where we're at for revenue. Guys, we're just $3,500 and it's day 11, which means we'll be at $11,000. We're not even close, but it's all good because we don't give up, and that's what winners do. They do not give up. But I have to admit, it doesn't feel good making the money I'm making now. I'm not complaining because I'm thankful, but I also like to win. And this is the low part of my business at this time, and it's okay. And you guys are here to watch and enjoy the journey. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Thursday. I will see you all tomorrow, Friday, baby. Have a great rest of your night.